Hello children, today we are going to learn the chapter about Kalpana Chawla, an Indian American woman in space, that is Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, India. She was the first Indian American astronaut and first Indian woman in space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. Now we are going to know the key points of the chapter. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana. That's where she was called up an Indian astronaut. She married a flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison and became a US citizen. Though she was born in India and became US citizen when she got married with Jean Pierre Harrison, that's why she was called Indian American astronaut. She went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. She was a member of the crew in Space Shuttle. Unfortunately, in an unprecedented space tragedy, she was killed on the boat. Kalpana was a girl from a small town and touched the skies. She has become an inspiration for millions of young Indians who are belonging to such a small town like her. Now, the summary of the chapter. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana, but became a US citizen after her marriage to an American flight instructor, Jean Pierre Harrison. So she is called an Indian American. She graduated from Tagore School, Karnal. After this, she joined an engineering college. Then she went for a master's degree to the US. After getting the degree, she earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. So we can see that Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, that belongs to India. So that's why she was an Indian by birth. But when she got married to a USA citizen, Jean Pierre, she was called Indian American astronaut. She has graduated from Tagore School, Karnal, and for the further studies, she went to the US. After qualifying as a pilot, she applied to NASA for a space shuttle program. It was her success as a pilot that gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut. She was first hired as a research scientist in 1994. She was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut among others. Thus, she became the first Indian American woman astronaut. Kalpana Chawla's first space mission in the space was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. They performed different experiments for a price tag of about $56 million. Crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food, growth in space, and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. All for a price tag of about $56 million. Day 1, February 2003. Killing all 7 on board. Kalpana Chawla said that news she never dreamt as a child in a Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. After a Bachelor of Science degree, Aeronautical Engineering, she went for a Master's degree to the United States of America. She was the first Indian American astronaut who participates in a successful mission in space. A journalist wrote that Kalpana Chawla was a heroine. According to him, astronaut is a very able person. He has to know everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. An astronaut has an encyclopedic knowledge. Kalpana Chawla said that a dream can be made a reality. For this, one must have the courage and work for it. Path from dreams to success does exist. She said that we should have the vision to find it, and we should have the courage to get onto it. Only then we can achieve our journey.